We are Bell. We dare to live at the edge of possibility, facing head-on each roadblock to progress and rising above them every time. From software to airframes, we consciously design and engineer the systems that defy expectations, formed through our strength, fortified by cutting-edge technology. We're united in our craft, from design floor to shop floor. We uphold the highest standards, amplifying our shared ability to transform the way we live and embracing different perspectives on the path to unity. Whether it's flying troops to the front line, carrying patients confidently, or protecting our communities, we're hell-bent on breaking barriers within vertical lift to deliver critical solutions in the most extreme scenarios. With our boots on the ground and our eyes to the sky, we dare to carve the first path, defying those who say it can't be done, and above all, delivering safely, reliably, and efficiently in order to elevate what matters.